Hi guys, just a short video on how I fit my roof bars behind us. So I've got a Peugeot partner. All links and things will be down in the description box below as well if you need them. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the instructions seem fairly clear. First things first, you get 4 of these. They're each numbered at the top, and you've got a picture on the instructions that show you which way to go, because they all go in their own separate places. And you get 4 of these, so these have to be put down first, and then these brackets screwed on top. Right, okay, so I've just done the back bit there, and I'm going to show you how to do the front. It's going to be exactly the same process. So first of all, if you've got a little screw in here, just pop it out. You'll probably have some water in there, so if you just give it a good blow, it'll come out, and give it a wipe. Make sure it's all clean, because we've got an adhesive on the back of this rubber strip here, and we're just going to match the hole with the screw hole there and press it down firmly. So next, you've got to put the bracket in, so the sticker on this particular roof rack is facing outwards. Basically just going to screw it in. And as I say, it's really important to get the right numbers, because they're all, if you look, they're all at a slightly different angle, just to align with the slope of the roof. So now what we're going to do is place the long bar on top with the, see the ridge there facing upwards, and the slope of the bar to the front of the van. I think that's an aerodynamic thing, but it's probably not going to make one bit of difference. But anyway, so then you've got another bracket, and you can see the shape, just to match the shape of the bar there. Just got to pop that on there like that. And one thing you're going to have to measure now, if you get yourself a tape measure, you're going to have to make sure the length from the end to the bar on each side is even. So just take a little couple of minutes to make sure you've got that right. One thing actually that I forgot to mention, is a little washer, so just make sure you put the washer on here when you screw it in. And then with this model, you've just got a plastic cover just to pop over the top, just to stop it corroding. Right, so the final bit, we're going to put the stoppers on, so you get 4 stoppers, and you get a few bits. So you get the stopper itself, you get this little thing, you get this thing here which goes in here, and you get a little yellow screwy thing and the bolt there. So you're going to start by inserting this in the square bit here, like that. And what you're going to do now is pop that in there, and then that can slide all the way along. So you'll have to take my word for it that it's there. And you can see on the bottom, it's got these 2 little bits that stick up. You just slot it in there like that. So you've got the thread in the middle still, in that bit there. Pop that in there. Pop that in there like that. And literally you screw it in. That's all there is. So there's 4 of them. Make sure that's on the inside, obviously, to connect to your ladders, and obviously if you want to loosen it, obviously to the size of your ladders or whatever you're going to be putting on your roof, then that's all you do there. So yeah, so that's it. If this has been useful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow the channel if you're interested. I'm a gardener, and I also have an allotment, so all my videos are about that. Please say hi, subscribe, all the rest of it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.